Open Settings. Go to the Apps tab. Go to Default Apps. Search here for Browser. Click the browser you want as default. On the top right, press Set Default. Once you have done this, Edge will be default. Or you can choose what browser opens for a specific file type. Click on File Type. Then choose Browser and press Set as Default.
I hope this video was able to help you. If you have further questions about this topic or another, please don't hesitate to comment them below.